So which side? This is intake. I went ahead and dropped all the buckets in, put a little bit of assembly lube on each one. Then I came back, put some on the tops and on each of the journal areas, bearing areas. Now I need to figure out which one's the exhaust. Alright, got the intake here. The number stamped on it ends in 6.5 and the exhaust ends in 6.6. Make sure these caps are clean. And I'm going to start them down evenly until they're no longer loose. Then we'll want to follow the torque tightening guide. Now, I'm going to grab the torque wrench and set that up. Okay, it is 15 Newton meters. And if you look on the very edge of the cap here, there's a number stamped, if you can even read it potentially. Though some of these are almost worn. It's sprocket side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is inlet, intake side. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is on exhaust. So let's set this to 15. And you want to screw these down evenly. Kind of watch the distance under the cap here as you're tightening it down. This side needs to come down some more. Almost all the way down there. All right. Intake is done. I put a new sprocket on and torqued it. We'll do the same on this side. It's 48 pound-feet for the torque on the sprocket bolt here. Well, let's take these caps off. Put all the buckets on. Done. This is a Batmic sprocket. There's the part number, B234I. Wrapped in silver nitrate paper. 911520 is the Saab part number. We just have to match that key up right there with the one on the camshaft. Put the screw in. I have this set to about 48 foot-pounds, which is, I want to say it was 71 Newton meters, I believe, around there. And I am going to need the adjustable wrench here to grab the hex end here of the camshaft. So we're going to grab it here to hold it. And then on this end, we're going to torque it down. Got it. Okay. I needed my whole body over it. Both camshafts are in with new sprockets. There's no clearances to check for the caps. There's no real bearings. I mean, I guess if the caps wear, you replace them. Or if the camshaft wears, you replace it. I've seen worse, but I do know that in play is a deal, but I don't honestly see how you can check in play with these clamped down like that. But it will affect the alignment of the chain. If this one's off by, oh, I don't know, 1.5 millimeters, it could wear the edge of the sprocket because of the chain not running true across the center of both of them. But this is all I can do for now. Can't bolt it back up to the block. The block's not done, so This is going to get set aside, put in a bag, and set aside waiting. I guess we'll move on to something else. It's hard to, I mean, I guess we could check lift, but I don't think the wear on it's really going to make that big of a difference. Compression was good before. I don't know. It's reassembled, and if I decide to check valve lift on each cam, I'll set the camera up and shoot video, and that'll be a separate video of measuring each of the valves for lift. But as it is for now, this is done. It's going in a bag, and it's getting stored flat like this. Otherwise, this stuff will run everywhere.